Hello, everyone, and welcome to this session on live Forex trading. As usual, we're just going to look at what the market has in store for us, and then afterwards, if you have any questions, we'll go through all your questions, queries, or problems you might be having with trading. So as usual, we're going to start off by looking at the economic calendar. The main markets we're looking at, as usual, is the Euro-US dollar and the dollar Canadian dollar. So starting with the economic calendar, today is Wednesday, the 21st of April, and I'm using my own time zone. I'm currently in Rwanda, so my time zone is GMT +2. So the times I'll be quoting are GMT +2 times. So we're looking for reports of high importance and medium importance that could affect the Euro-US dollar or the dollar Canadian dollar. So let's have a look. So you can see earlier on today at 8 o'clock, we had the UK inflation rate report, which can have an indirect impact on all markets because UK is the financial capital of the world. So that report has come and gone. And then later on today at 2:30, again, GMT +2, we have the Canadian inflation rate report. So that would obviously have a huge impact on all currencies paired with the Canadian dollar and the Canadian stock market. And then the last report of high importance today, it's at 4 p.m. GMT +2, which is the Bank of Canada interest rates decision. And that would have a massive effect on all currencies paired with the Canadian dollar and the Canadian stock market. So in terms of the Euro-US dollar specifically, the other report that was sort of directly impact the Euro-US dollar would have been the UK inflation rate report. So I waited for that report before I started trading the Euro-US dollar. And I'm actually in a live trade for the Euro-US dollar at the moment. But for the dollar Canadian dollar, I had to wait because of this reports coming out at 2:30 and 4. So with regards to the dollar Canadian dollar, I'm not going to trade that market till just before the report at 4 p.m., which is the most important report related to Canada, which is the Bank of Canada interest rate decision. So I'm going to wait till then before I assess the market and decide where to place my trades. Okay, so that's my plan for today. Looking at the market watch, there are no reports causing uncertainty in the markets in terms of currency trading, obviously. And then let's go to the charts. So we'll start with the Euro-US dollar. Start with the swing trading, looking at the daily time frame D1. You can see I'm currently in a live buy trade. And all I'm just doing now, because the market has moved 100 pips in my direction, I'm just moving my stop loss with the moving average. The moving average today was 1.1925. So my stop loss is currently 2 pips below the moving average. So that's all I have to do with the swing trading. Then for the day trading, looking at the 5-minute time frame, like I said, I placed my order just before the report at 8, the UK inflation rate report. And you can see the market has fallen, broken S1, taking my pending sell order with a 20 pips stop loss in place and a 60 pips profit limit. And I'm currently in that live trade, day trading. Then for the dollar Canadian dollar, again, from a swing trade, you start with D1. You can see it's currently trending down. I use the moving average 100. And again, today the moving average 100 is 1.2649. So again, I've adjusted my pending order to 2 pips above that. So it's now at 1.2651 with a 100 pip stop loss. So that, again, just pending there. So that's all I have to do for the swing trade. Then go to the 5-minute time frame for day trading. I can see the market is currently trending sideways between R1 and the pivot point. This is my swing trade order that you're seeing here. It's not the day trade. That's the swing trade order. So for the day trade, I'm not placing any pending orders at the moment. I'm I'm going to leave it alone, and then I'll reassess just before the Bank of Canada interest rate decision at 4 p.m. Okay, so any questions? If you have any questions, to click the hand button or send your questions through the question box.